Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, we'll be right back. You guys know what to do first though, right? Go down below. Give us that big old like by clicking that, yeah. And then if you go over and, subscribe right there, click that. And then, hey, if you ring the bell, you get notifications every time we have a video out. So, hey, we'll be right back. Tell you what's going on today. All right, guys, we're back. We are at the Marin RV park. This is like a little oasis right here. It's kind of right next to Miles, so it's right down the road from him and them, and we can go see them anytime if we come up here.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. So we're at the South Bay, or no, we're at the East Bay.
East Bay.
We're way back, like towards Richmond, Marin. Yeah. So what are we doing today? We're gonna go and I guess we're going to leave here. Yeah, we've been here for 2 days.
Yes.
We got here on Wednesday. We were with everybody on Wednesday night, and then Thursday night, and then Friday night, we last night, all day long, we kind of went around, went to favorite parks and different things that Miles likes. So yeah, we had a good old time here, and now it's time to leave. So we didn't know which way we were going to go. I wanted to go over Tahoe, back that way, across the Central Valley. But there's lots of fires, and there's lots of fires in the valley and smoke in the valley. And there's lots of fires towards Tahoe and in the mountains around the other side, 395 and all this area in here. So we're on the coast. So I think if we just go down the 101, not the Pacific Coast Highway, but the 101, and then we get into, I think the first stop we're going to try to make is GILLROY, California, and try to find maybe some boondock in there or something.
Yeah.
And then from there we'll leave there, and I want to go to Monterey, and then I want to go down the coast a little bit, and maybe just kind of jog over and go through Oxnard and that sort of stuff, and get into back onto 5 and go through LA, unfortunately, or on the outskirts of LA, and get to home. So I think it's Friday today. So no, it's Saturday.
Today's Friday.
Today is Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, I was thinking today was
Saturday.
Thursday. I don't know what day it is.
Welcome to Workcamping Life.
Yeah, Workcamping Life, you don't know what day it is. Anyway, so I guess today is Friday. So Friday, so we're just going to get down there. We're going to do some boondocking, so we got to find some place that we can stay at just for the night. Just pull in, don't unhook or anything else, just to get some sleep. And then we'll be up in the morning and checking things out a little bit in town and all that stuff too. So, well, come on, we're going to get in the truck. I'm going to hook up the cameras and everything. Let's go for another ride, guys, okay? We really appreciate you guys coming with us, right?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So, I hope you guys are enjoying all this. This is Workcamping Life, going from one job to the other job. The camper is really good right now. Got it all hooked up. We don't have our covers for our bikes anymore, but that's okay. I think they'll be all right. I've seen a lot of people not have covers. The camper's pretty level, really. The truck's pretty level. We're ready to go, right?
Yes, we are.
All right, guys, we're going to get in the truckster and come on and get back with us, and we'll take off and we'll go get in some good trouble here. How's that sound? Go find some things to see. GILLROY is known for garlic. So that's what we're going to do. So we got to set our GPS and all that good stuff, our coordinates, and then we'll figure out where we're going. I got the windows almost clean now, and it's kind of spotty still, but that's okay. And then we'll get going, all right?
Oh, I've been long gone, won't talk to you. I've been hustling for so long. Oh, and I've been thinking about the past, and it keeps me going on. Oh, and I can't stop, no, I don't stop. It's only I can see. Even if I end up all alone, I know my destiny. My mama told me we all bleed the same sun. Oh, prejudice and pride don't make you change. remember where you come from. 'Cause I know you were born to break the chain. So I'm on my way. Yes, I'm leaving today. Are you right with me? See, I'm living in the nightlife, but I got a fire that burns so bright from the back road to the street. I've been long gone for so damn long, so don't tell me that you have to go. Will you still be waiting for me? Tell me, 'cause I gotta know. See, I can't stop, no, I don't stop. It's only I can see. If I die trying to turn the tide, y'all remember me. See, Mama told me we all bleed the same, son. Oh, prejudice and pride will make you change. Just always remember where you come from. 'Cause I know you were born to make a change. So I'm on my way. Yes, I'm leaving today. Are you right with me? Lord, living in the nightlife, but I got a fire that burns so bright from the back road to the street. See, I'm on my way. Yes, I'm leaving today. Are you right with me? Yes, I'm living in the nightlife, but I got a fire that burns so bright from the back road to the street.
All right, guys, how are we doing? Well, it is, I don't know, like almost 2 o'clock. And we're in GILLROY. It took us a long time to get out of San Francisco. We went all the way around instead of going over the bridge, so that kind of complicated things. And traffic has been so horrendous, like maybe 25 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour most of the way. And then we got on the one and it was the same thing on there. We just got off the one. I got gas and had to go pee, and now we're hungry and we're gonna see if we can stay here for the night or something, or maybe move on. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. But yeah, so we're gonna get something to eat for definitely. So we're right here in front of the Burger King, of course. Well, why not? Yeah, so it's Burger King. And this is GILLROY. GILLROY is known for garlic, and that's what they used to grow. It's become a pretty big size city here. So, have you had fun so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Today we took a couple wrong turns that said, hey, there's gas right here. So we got off and went all the way down the road that way, actually. And there was no gas station that way, but there was 2 gas stations this way. So we just went to one, and it was really hard to get in and out of, but we did it. And then this guy goes, or this lady that's inside her, I was asking, do you guys have a, you know, like maybe an RV place around here, or a campground or something? She goes, or a state park or whatever. And she goes, oh yeah, right down the road. Anderson's is right around the corner. So we're gonna check out Anderson's, but first I think we're gonna get grumpy, so we're gonna go ahead and eat first because it's dinner time, it's lunchtime. So guys, yeah, we're gonna go in there, get this food in us, and we'll be right back out to tell you what's going on and where we're going, and if we're going to go to Anderson's or go down. It is Friday night, so these places could be full already, and we might just have to park on the side of the road, but we'll continue to go south. Eventually I want to get down to Monterey, because Monterey has the aquarium down there, and they have the kelp, what was it, I don't know, the kelp, I guess it's in a big tank, aquarium tank or something. And I've seen it before, and you go in and you could see into the ocean, and there's all these kelp fields that are, I don't know, they're like skyscrapers under the water. They're all down to the ground, all the way up to the top, and they're kelp fields. And then in between those, you can see the seals and all the stuff, you know, swimming in it, and the fishes and all that. So it's pretty neat. I kind of want to go do that if we can, if it's open. So that might be tomorrow. It looks like we're going to go heading down a little faster, and we might get down to Southern California quicker than we thought, but that means that we can maybe camp out in Joshua Tree or do something like that, which would be kind of neat too. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So, all right, guys, we're going to go get something to eat. We'll be back, and I'll tell you how delicious or how burpy it is, because it makes me burp. Burper King, that's what they should call it. Burper King. It's all that charred boiled stuff. All right, guys. We'll be right back. Right here. Right here. All right, ready? Mm-hmm. Well, good morning, everybody. How we doing today? Hey, we got here yesterday afternoon, and we thought maybe slot machines and all this at the casino, but there wasn't. So this is the GILLROY Garlic Casino.
Yes.
Yeah, and it was really nice. It's pretty much a big poker room. Poker, and they had baccarat, they had blackjack, and then they had some drink machines and stuff like that. I guess they made pho and some, I don't know what they made, but they had some other food in there and stuff, so we didn't really eat. We went in there, they took our IDs from us, and they scanned them. They gave us some cards, they did all that crap, and then handed it back to us, and we're looking at each other like, I don't even know why we did that, because there's no slot machines.
Yeah.
What we were gonna do, this was the plan, go in, throw 20 bucks in the machine, see if we win anything. If not, hey, that's okay. If so, then hey, whoopoo, we could eat something. Anyways, but no, that wasn't the case. So we kind of just turned around. We walked around this little strip mall here where it is at. I'll show you here in a second. It is Bay City Furniture was here. All sorts of things were here. But the casino is back in the corner. That is a security old highway patrol car, but that's their security. Yeah, and they let us stay here, and it was really nice. I mean, it was pretty noisy up until about 1:30, and
Yeah.
it seemed like everybody kind of left. And let me get back in the shade over here. Everybody kind of left, and it was nicer. It was quieter. But yeah, so we slept here. So we are in GILLROY. We're right off the 101. We're going to go down a little further. I think an hour away is where Monterey is. We were thinking about either staying in Monterey or going all the way down to Pismo Beach. Pismo Beach is where I went as a kid. We went to our family vacation in the Coronet that we had, a little Dodge Coronet. It was my sister's, my stepmother, and myself and my dad. And we went up the coast, and that was the only time I've ever been up the coast other than us now, and probably a couple of years later I went because I was married, and we went up and down the coast I think once. So yeah, so we're gonna go down to Monterey. I want to go to the aquarium there, so we'll see how much that is and all that. Maybe we can afford it, maybe we can't. We'll see what happens for you guys. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna get in the truckster and get out of here. First thing we have to do is, hey, RV Mate, they sent us these jacks, and they've come in handy a lot. So this was perfect. We were just about 2 inches lower than we should have been, so we put these jacks on it, and hey, it worked out really well. So thank you, RV Mate. You guys got to check them out. Check out their product line. You get on Misfits Adventures, and you can see all their stuff that they have there. All right, guys, we're gonna get in the truck. Dion's gonna get on her side. This poor guy, we've been talking to him. He has been weed eating, and he had to stop. So I apologize to him. We had a long conversation. He's originally from Mexico, and he is here legally kind of but he's really afraid to even go to work sometimes because he's afraid ICE is going to come and take him away. He is definitely legal, but he's like, it's really bad here now. Nobody wants to go to work. None of the farmers want to go to work, and this is pretty much farm territory in here, so life's rough right now. We don't know what's going on. All right, guys, Dion's gonna go get those jacks. I'm gonna move the truck up, and we're gonna get out of here. I got the camera up on there. Alrighty, guys. All right, here we go. We had a good time here last night. It was good sleep, actually, after a certain time. Like I said, about 1:30, people started dying down. I didn't want to be so close to the building. I kind of wanted to be far away from the building, but he said, no, it's better to be over here because the cameras are here. So, yeah. Those chocks came in handy, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
The levelers. All right, guys, we are on our way, okay? All right, guys, we are right off the 101, and this is GILLROY still, and this is a big old fruit stand. So they're gonna have some cherries here, some garlic here. I don't know what else. We'll go in and check it all out, okay? Yeah, GILLROY is known for its garlic, but they do grow cherries and peaches also. Be down here. Corn. $10 minimum purchase if you're using a card. Cool. Anybody rated? Wow. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Good. $12 a box. Figs? Do you like figs? Persimmons or tomatoes?
We're still looking.
I got all sorts of stuff in here, lots of different olive oils. Whip ass sauce. Bull stuff, chicken stuff, special stuff, bad ass stuff. Cute. I got a bunch of stuff here. Produce looks good, all fresh from here. Well, you want to get some garlic and some cherries?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we came in here mostly for the cherries, but I want some garlic too.
Here's your chocolate ice cream. Your garlic ice cream.
Do you what?
Here's your garlic ice cream.
Oh, well, let's get some garlic ice cream. Which one?
They got the nutty
I
bars.
got one strawberry, one chocolate. Handmade chocolate bar. I want one of these. I don't want a cup. What do I want a cup for? Are these all the same? Strawberry, 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 handmade vanilla, handmade nutty bars. You want one?
Yeah.
No?
I'm not brave.
Oh, it's garlic. Garlic is good. Why would it not be good? Oh, look at this pickled garlic. Smoked. That would be really good. Woo. Just a wrench. See if we can find some of this stuff in stores. Some big guys here. How much are they? 2 for $1?
Mm-hmm.
Here, you put these in the baggie. Let me see if I can do it. I can do it. There, I got these so far. One, two, more garlic, and ice cream, some peaches, and you want some? You do want some?
Are you gonna help me eat them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So how much do you want?
They're $12 a box.
That was good. You got more in it. That must mean it's older. You put a few on top and then you get rid of it faster. Guys, we're gonna get back in the truckster and drive down. We just wanted to stop at this little fruit stand here because it's all fresh and all good. Yep. I'll tell you how this is in a second. Inside there, we got the garlic ice cream. She got some peaches. We also got some garlic, and we got some cherries. So we're gonna head out. We're heading towards the coast now. We're gonna go to Monterey. So we got a little cutoff here pretty soon. It's gonna take us off to the right, and we're gonna go out to the beach area. So Monterey is the next stop.